Hey guys, this is a follow-up video to my previous two videos about how to paint the sky and how to paint the trees. And this particular video deals with how to paint the bushes and the shrubs. Be sure to like this particular video and also subscribe to my channel. Now let's focus on how to paint the shrubs. Here I'm covering the area with some thin paint, and then this is the patchy, this is what I called base color, and I'm putting those so that this works like an underneath layer to the surface. And also I'm painting the land with the simplest of palette knife strokes, just an indication, that's all. And I'm using an older flat brush which has a lot of stray hairs, and I'm using that to create some marks. Now I've moved on to the filbert brush to create more defined marks on top of the marks that were created by the big brush. And here I'm more into the detail, and gradually I'm moving towards the smaller brushes and just spots and spots and spots, very quick strokes. So here my main concentration is to create spotty marks and also creating a variation or an interplay, a logical interplay between the darks and the lights. So and also creating the intermediate tones and the values so that it looks real and rounded rather than some light marks and dark marks. Here you can see I'm rolling my brushes to create the abstraction to the fullest, the randomness, so that it must not have any contrived feel to it. And shrubs have grown on their own, so nobody has planted them, so there is no caring, it's just wild, and that's it. So it must have a feel to that. Compared to that, the distant tree has more defined look. Here I'm using palette knives to create some branches and also putting down some marks to define the area a little more. And here is my modified fan brush and some defined marks on top of these to create some amount of contrast and you know a definition against the trees in the background. So here is the final painting, and this is the conclusive video of this particular series. And if you like this video, then please click the like button and also subscribe for future videos. And be sure to check out my website www.kaustavandfineart.com for more paintings. I thank you for your time. Take care.